Good morning and welcome to Brinda Bulletin, your daily dose of news for exam success. It's Thursday, July 3rd, 2025. Let's pass through the headlines that matter for the competitive exams. National news. PM Modi begins five-nation visit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi landed in Ghana as part of his five-nation tour. Key stops are Ghana, Trinidad and Tobago, Argentina, Namibia and Brazil for the BRICS summit. Modi will be awarded Ghana's highest civilian honor, Companion of the Star of Ghana. Main goal is to strengthen cooperation in the global south and push for multipolar world order. Quad condemns Pahalgam terror attack. Quad foreign ministers, India, US, Japan, Australia condemn the April 22nd Pahalgam attack that killed 26 civilians. Joint statement demanded urgent justice and counter-terrorism cooperation. Focus areas are maritime security, critical tech, economic prosperity, disaster response. Amarnath Yatra begins. Over 5,400 pilgrims reached Kashmir for the annual Amarnath Yatra. New security is facial recognition system, no-fly zones, and civil society cooperation. This follows the recent Pahalgam terror attack. Delhi High Court orders readmission of autistic student. GD Goenka School Model Town must readmit an 8-year-old with mild autism. Court slammed the school for denying inclusive education rights. Parliament security brief. Bail granted. Delhi High Court granted bail to Neelam Azad and Mahesh Kumawat in the 2023 Parliament breach case. Conditions are to stay in Delhi, no media interaction, report to police thrice a week. Karnataka politics. Siddaramaiah stands firm. CM Siddaramaiah asserted he will complete his full 5-year term amid internal party talks of leadership change. JNK sets up special cells for militancy victims. Police helplines launched reopen terror-related cases, identify perpetrators in government job and support victims' families. International news. BRICS Summit preview. India to push for equitable development and South-South cooperation during the BRICS meet in Brazil. Bangladesh PM Hasina convicted in absentia. Dhaka court sentenced Sheikh Hasina to 6 months in jail over corruption charges. Economy and finance. Delhi government seeks clarity on overage vehicles. Minister Manjinder Sirsa to meet CAQM after petrol pumps donate fuel to overage vehicles despite valid fitness certificate. Aam Aadmi Party alleges BJP is pushing people to buy new vehicles to help car makers. NESL subsidiary for disinvestment. NESL Asset Data Limited will be fully disinvested via tenders under the Finance Ministry's privatization drive. Science and Technology. JNU to conduct in-house PhD entrance tests for subjects not covered by UGC NET like Korean Studies and Cinema Studies. Students demand similar policy for all courses. Environment and Ecology. Himachal floods. Rain continues to batter Himachal Pradesh. Death toll rises to 11 in Mandi district. Delhi public toilets in poor shape. Delhi High Court criticized NCD, DDA and NDMC for unhygienic public toilets. Ordered urgent maintenance and comprehensive plans. Awards and honors. PM Modi to receive Ghana's highest civilian award, Companion of the Order of the Star of Ghana. Previously awarded to global leaders like Jacques Chirac and Lula da Silva. India's test openers shine. Shubman Gill and Yashasvi Jaiswal impressed on day one of the current test match. And that's all for today's Brinda Bulletin, your daily dose of news for exam success. Stay consistent, stay current, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for tomorrow's edition. This is Brinda signing off. See